It's the best weedless garden in Ontario. Yes, it is. You ain't finding no weeds growing in my garden. There's my weed barrier, and it's holding the weeds back. They can't get on the garden. It's probably driving them crazy. The edge of the weed barrier is holding back the weeds. They can't get on my garden. No how, no way. How's the garden growing? And it's growing really well. Look at this celery. Look at how it's growing. I've never grown celery. I've never even seen celery grow, so this is really cool to me. Look at this romaine lettuce coming. Isn't that great? Perfect. This little guy in the middle, he's struggling a bit, but he's hanging on. These are cabbage. That's my red. That's my green. He's a little behind. And that's my other red cabbage. Look how big it's getting. And you can see that little leaf in there forming for the cabbage. So excited about that. Here's my hot Portugal peppers, and look at the size of that baby growing right there. Look how big that pepper is. It's as big as a plant. This one is my snackable red pepper. Now he's still green, so we're not eating him yet, but there he is. Okay folks, so there it is, my garden. Now we're going to go up and take a quick look at my blueberry bushes and my raspberries. They've got raspberries and blueberries on them. I ate a blueberry yesterday right off my plant. So I'm going to go up and pick some, and I'll show you what they're doing. Oh, and I haven't even weeded up there. Now let's see the difference, okay? This is a weedless garden. Let's see what happens when you plant a garden that you have to weed and you don't, like I didn't. Let's see what these look like, these blueberries and raspberries. Okay, see you in a minute, folks. Here's my raspberry plants. We got lots of raspberries. Yes, we do, and we're going to pick them. And here's my blueberries. Now, as you can see, I don't weed here, so look at them. You can hardly even see them. That is a blueberry plant. That's a blueberry plant. This is a blueberry plant because there's a blueberry. There it is. So from weedless to weeds, this is the difference. So we're just going to pick these and go on into the house. Okay, folks, thanks for watching.